Hello you guys, it's me Lisa, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to remove your friends or connections in Live 360. So without any further hesitation, let's get started. Firstly, you need to install Live 360 in your phone, like here. After that, it'll start installing. After it's been installed, open the app up and sign in to your devices. It'll give you an option of continue with phone number or email. You can add your phone number here. Then write your names. Then click continue again. Then add your email address as well. After that, you need to create your password. Make sure that it has 8 characters, letter, number, and a special character as well. After this, you can click on continue and then enter your birth date as well. After that, your circle is created and you can create a code, or you can join a code by typing it in. Then you can create a circle family name. And after this, allow all permissions, allow your location as well. Your account is successfully created. After that, it will be lead on to the home page like this. What I want you to do is click on the settings on the top left and then click on your circle management. Then you can click on delete circle members, and this way your circle members will be deleted and you can remove anyone from your circle. I hope this video was helpful. It's me, Elise, signing out. If you have any questions, write on the comment box below, and what other videos you want us to make, suggest below.